We've had Uncle Sam on the channel here. Just threw him back together after having some tulip valves, and we're hoping everything is all right, but today is the day. Got all warmed up. About ready to make a rip. It's kind of our drifting burnout tune. It's a little bit more conservative, so let's see how the health of the bottom end is. That was really why we tore this whole thing down, is because we saw that we were lacking compression. So if it makes anything over 950, then I'm pretty sure we're good. Alright, we definitely have a fuel enrichment issue right there. We got to find out what's going on with that. Okay, so as I got on it right there, the thing had like no fuel. The methanol was coming on, and again, that has been a little bit problematic. We're trying to work out any of the problems with that. But I'm looking into something else. I wanted to see if the fuel pumps are also problematic. So we're gonna check that out. I'm gonna have Elias take a look at a couple things while I'm adding a whole bunch of fuel right here to make sure that we can accelerate through that RPM. Fuel pressure.
Oh, damn! What did you do?
I think your straps are a little loose.
Yeah.
You feel the car?
I stayed in it, dude.
I know. I saw that. That's pretty awesome. We made 1,018 our first pass. It is spinning both runs, so that it can be off a tiny bit. We're having a couple different things with like the pickup on the fuel. Like we're at 3/4 of a tank. Last just put in 5 gallons of fuel. We were half a tank before. And it seems like we have a pickup issue, but at the same time I added a ton of fuel here. We're right at the limitation of our fuel system as well. This is only 16 pounds of boost, and this is awesome power.
Was this the bigger pulley?
Huh?
Was this the bigger pulley? Or
I think so. I think we went and changed the pulleys and we didn't change, make any more power.
2.8.
It looks like we're making more underneath the curve, but it doesn't need any more bottom end torque, but why not have it if you can,
I'm gonna need to get a new set of Nittos on here.
Yeah, we definitely do. Can't wait. Well, we're finishing up right here. Everything seems to be coming in together pretty well. Not that we necessarily needed any more power. I just really wanted to make sure that it's 100% optimized, and I haven't really given it a very fair cool down. There's always a little bit of power there, but just trying to keep it pretty real. Everything looks pretty good. We're blowing the tires off this thing mid-pull. That's crazy. Try that again. all the way up until the very end and then stabbed it there, but air fuel looks good, timing looks good. I'm super happy. That's about the smallest little tire I think I've seen on there.
Yeah, well, that's what we had laying around.
Ain't got no legs.
Scrap pile.
We have Uncle Sam, LS Fest burnout champ, all right? And then we have the new guy in town. However, I think you've actually got more burnout contests under your belt than I do.
Quite a few, no Rodney. And one in Quicksilver.
Well, with this elevated power, I think your whole everything is changed and have a little burnout showdown. You guys decide what's going on here, but I think we can put on a pretty good show.
Who's deciding what's going on?
Well, the viewers. You know, we'll try and do.
I think you decided what's going on because you said, "Hey, we're doing a burnout. No, you better have Rodney
Well,
ready."
the outcome, as far as like you know.
So I had to go put a starter on Rodney, but he fires up like a champ.
That
now.
was unfortunate.
That was, but you know, $100.
The skunk smell, the dead squirrel smell is gone, and it's a ton better. I mean, it was
Smells
lingering.
good in there now.
It was lingering for a very long time, but dude, everything looks great. I mean, damage after the only thing is the bed, right? I mean,
Yeah, one
take
side.
us
This
through.
side's still good. The other side, though, not so much.
It was quite the money shot where there's like obliterated pieces of tire and fender, you know. In
Yeah,
there.
that's pretty cool,
That
yeah.
was pretty awesome.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Get that. Oh, shoot. Dang it. It's not how you drive your car, it's how you lean on your car. Trip. Rodney versus Uncle Sam.
Does that seem like I'm picking on you, or?
I mean, a little bit.
I think you got a good thing going on.
No, I definitely
I think
so.
you're a top tier contender right here, so I think it's gonna work out just fine.
He's talking you up a lot, bringing twice the power.
Yeah, your car's just loud. That's all. I ain't scared. Are we, Rodney? Clunk.
Turbo falls off.
Was that on or off? That was so awesome. Look at the temperature. What's it at? Like 170? Dude, that radiator's doing work. Lit up, man. That was awesome. If I had third gear, we'd be ripping, but you don't have third? I do, but it'll freaking sling it right now. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Look at the marks, dude. Everybody's getting getting in trouble right now.
All right, George is behind the camera here. That was a good burnout. That was a really, really, really good burnout, and I'm gonna have a hard time beating that. We had a very upset neighbor that I haven't met.
Yep.
And had to calm him down for about 15 minutes.
Took quite a while. I was like,
Yeah.
where is Jeremy at? Yeah, better buckle up. Nervous.
Yeah, I've definitely been a little nervous.
This thing is loud.
Very.
Okay.
Good warmer. I really miss Uncle Sam. Oh, my brakes were holding a little bit there. I shut it off for a second and I didn't realize I was actually had a little bit on there.
Oh, I think about the tire. Holy crap. Okay. Third gear is a smoking gear.
I definitely saw a fireball through there.
I know.
I don't know.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
So we'll let everybody else decide.
It's literally still full of smoke. Like a quarter-mile
No
away.
idea what happened. This guy hates us.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah, he does not look happy at all. Oh, boy.
Yeah, dude.
Look, there's still a cloud. He's probably like, these damn kids.
Oh my gosh, dude. I think that's probably the most we ever smoked it up in here, dude.
Yeah, for sure.
That was awesome.
For sure.
Dude, she rips.
Yeah, dude, that was sick. Dude, third gear, it just freaking rolls the smoke out. It's ridiculous.
That was definitely where the wheel speed was at. I think the neighbors have definitely had enough. We're gonna go put this away before we get in trouble here.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Laz is looking under the... It's fine, right?
I thought I saw a little glow of red.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
So y'all were going for a minute timer, right?
Is that too short?
George filled the timer better.
Oh.
He was at like 47 seconds, and you were at like 35 seconds.
35 seconds?
I got nervous.
All that was.
I got nervous.
It's so loud.
Yeah.
It's so
Like
loud.
between the two of you,
He
they're
was
both
nervous
loud.
going in on the way.
Yeah.
Then you started doing it, and I was like, oh, we're fully committed now.
He goes, yeah, it's really loud. We really should. They kind of heaped up.
The burnout down the street, I was like, we're gonna just come around the corner.
It stayed smoky inside the car for like.
It was smoky in the car until we got to the stop sign. We had like the doors open and everything.
Dude. I don't know. I guess we'll have you guys decide. I thought that was a good job. First of many.
Awesome.
But next time we'll
But
probably...
not first of many in the cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
Probably last of many. You
Got
got
a
our own
neighbor.
cul-de-sac back here. I think that looks like a good one right there.
Yeah, maybe we should just pave that and then like do away with a couple of those cars and we have our own little burnout pad. You could line it with jersey walls.
Right?
Yeah.
Dumpster tap.
See you next video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you guys. See you around.
And don't forget to check out the Fasterproms store where you can get hats, t-shirts, stickers, and lanyards.
Oh,
This guy always
dude.
forgets it.
You gotta do your poster. You gotta do pre-orders for the poster.
Rodney poster?
Oh yeah.
You think it'll sell?
I think so.
Guys,
Pre-order for Rodney
if you really want to help us out, in the arms of an angel.
I was about to say, can you sound a little sad?
Bring in the sack.
Guys,
He just
look at
stepped
Rodney.
inside.
Rodney needs a bed right now. Rodney bed poster fund. You can have a nice, beautiful picture of Rodney on the wall, blowing tires off, blowing the bed off, and you can know that you contributed into getting him a new bed or a flat bed. Call it this, the burnout bed. Ooh, burnout bed. We're trying to get Rodney a burnout bed, so Rodney posters coming soon. Get you one.
I've got 4 dogs surrounding me right now. So guys, very early on we sold out of our American flag shirts and we did just get those back in stock. Check those out as well. And if you are Team Uncle Sam, you get an Uncle Sam poster as well. We only have about 35 of those left. Save on the shipping. Guys, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. God bless you. We'll see you next episode.